Hello learners, in this video we are going to study internal appraisal or organizational appraisal. The first thing is appraisal. Means estimating or judging value of something in human resource management. Before we learn about the 360-degree appraisal, where a person is monitored by 360-degree. Internal appraisal means evaluating firm's own capability to meet efficiency and effectiveness of existing activity, how we improve our existing activity. So it focuses on its resources, capabilities and core competencies rather than the internal environment. Then techniques of internal appraisal, there is a framework which is called as 9M framework, where 9M are involved: main, money, material, management, machinery, methods, market, management information and makeup. Now the next appraisal is organizational appraisal. It is a process of monitoring or evaluating internal environment. In internal appraisal, we only focuses on internal capabilities, but here we focuses on internal environment. What are the factors that affect the organizational appraisal? First one is strategy, second one is technology, then people, task, size, then environment. What are the techniques of organizational appraisal? There are three types of technique. First one is RBV analysis, second one is VRIO analysis, value chain analysis. The first one is RBV analysis, which means resource based view. In this, a company basically focuses on its resources. It may be the tangible resources or intangible resources. What are the tangible resources? Tangible resources may be capital or technology, or intangible resources may be capability, management, human resource. Analysis is given by Jay Burney. As per RBV analysis, company should look inside the company and find out what are the competitive advantage, how it can compete, not on the competitive environment where it compete or who are the competitors. It focuses on competitive advantage. What is my advantage? How I can improve. Then the resources should be heterogeneous, not similar to others. We are using different resources, immovable, inimitable, which is not easily copy. Then the second one is Vryo analysis. Vryo analysis means V for value, R for rarity, I for imitability, then O for organization. This analysis is given by J.B. Burney. In this analysis, company identify and evaluate internal resources for gaining competitive advantage. This analysis says that the resources or capability of the human resource should be valuable, rare, inimitable, or possessed by organization despite it being costly to imitate in terms of time or money both. Which means your company's advantage is your resources is valuable, rarely available, inimitable, which means having no substitutes or rare substitutes. Then, then if it is costly or delay in reaching, it's okay, but you have to maintain that value. Then the third one is value chain analysis. This theory is given by Michael Porter in his book Competitive Advantage. In this analysis, business activities are split into two activities. One is primary activity and the another one is supporting activity. Primary activity involved directly with creating the product. For example, inbound logistic, where stores or we receive the raw material. Then operation, that is work in progress. Then outbound logistic, which is finished goods. Marketing and sales, information about prices and uses of product. Then after sale services. And the supporting activities are indirectly involved in production, may increase effectiveness and its efficiency. For example, human resources. So the supporting activities are procurement, how resources acquired. For example, negotiation for material with supplier. HR management, which means recruiting, training, development, motivation, reward given to the employee or employer. Then technological development, advanced technology. Then the infrastructure, which is supporting systems such as finance, planning, quality control, etc. A value chain analysis, a firm or a manufacturing company can reduce cost or increase differentiation. The value chain analysis presents internal activities engaged in transforming inputs into output. Thank you.